Hi, Julie Paquette, probate and estate planning attorney. Today I want to talk to you about the hidden costs of serving as executor without an attorney representing you. And in Michigan, we call the person who's in charge of a probate estate the personal representative, or if you're managing a trust, we call it the trustee. But I'm going to use the term executor since that's what most people use, and it sort of includes both of those terms. Okay, so the first way that people increase the costs is by over-reporting assets on the inventory that is submitted to the court, either by including assets that should not be included because they're non-probate assets, or by overvaluing the assets that are included. And the court charges a fee based on the total value of the estate, and that fee goes up the more assets you include on that inventory. The next way that people very commonly increase the cost of an estate is by paying creditors who don't have to be paid. Now, just because you get a bill or your loved one receives a bill in the mail does not necessarily mean it has to be paid. And if you work with a firm like ours, we can help assess which creditors actually do have to be paid and which don't. Another way people drive up the costs is by triggering unnecessary hearings. A lot of things do not have to be before the judge in probate, but if you don't have an attorney, you may not realize that. And when you get in front of the judge, you are possibly going to end up with the judge appointing an attorney to review the issue you're asking for a decision on, and then your estate is going to have to pay that attorney's fees. If you are seeking to be appointed as personal representative or trustee for another person's estate, it's likely because someone close to you has recently passed away. So you are probably grieving and you don't want to go through this process on your own, drive up the costs, and make things more difficult on you. So give us a call and we will set up your consultation.